everyone, welcome back to my channel. Something different today. I got home and my package had arrived. I ordered some things on AliExpress, one of which was a weave. Now people have been talking about this particular company, so I decided, okay, I'm gonna try them and we'll see how it goes. And sorry, if you see me looking this way at any time during the video, I'm actually looking at my system so I can get the right information, like the specifics about the hair I ordered, and I'm not making any mistakes. Anyway, so this is the package. It arrived today, delivered by DHL. The company I said is on AliExpress is Maxine Hair. Yeah, Maxine Hair store. You can look them up on AliExpress site. You find them there. So we're gonna open this together, and we'll see what we have in there. So I'm actually gonna try this out. I decided, okay, I'll quickly do this review or this unboxing before I make this into a wig, because I'm going to be making it into a wig. I'm going to use it for a while. I'll tell you how long I use the wig. Like, am I wearing it like every day? You know, I'll give you the specifics of how long I wore it. Then I'm going to tell you how it is, how it fared after a while. Like, is it tangling? Is there much shedding and stuff like that? It's actually a coily wig, so most times coily wigs actually tangle. We'll see how this one goes anyway. Now I have the package open, and this is what it came in this pink bag. Hold on. Pretty packaging. Let's just see. Okay, there are no gifts in there. And by the way, please, I want this to be noted, I bought this hair with my own money. This is not a sponsored review. I was not sent the hair free of charge. I paid for this hair. So what I got, I expect, is what any other person who orders from them would get. Okay? It's just a genuine review. So I ordered this hair on the 31st of March, and it came in today, which is the 9th of April. So pretty much 9 days to get to me from China. I think that's okay. That's good. I think the delivery is okay. Though I saw, I don't know where this company is located. Is it France? Is it America? Because, you know, when I placed my order, and I ordered from AliExpress, I expected, okay, it was coming from China. But when the lady, the seller, I don't know if it's a lady, Vicky, when she sent me a message, she made me feel like, oh, you can actually return it back to our American store if you have any issues with it. And when DHL sent me a message about my package reaching them and all that, tracking number and all, I actually saw France, so I got a little bit confused as to where it was coming from. But all I did was kept my fingers crossed and waited for it to come. So when you're ordering online, they have different lengths, lengths matched with closures, so you can actually pick what you want. It comes in 3 bundles and then a closure. Sorry, we'll get to opening this. I want to quickly check. Yeah, you just select the length, nothing about the color and all that. All right, we'll get to see this. So this is the water wave, the Brazilian water wave hair. I'm supposed to have 3 bundles here and 1 piece of closure. It says it's non-Remy hair, and you should be able to dye it. That's what it says. That, yeah. So what I got was the 16, 18 and 20 inches. That was the length of hair I got, and I got a 14-inch closure. So let's go ahead and open up and see if that's what we have in here. Okay, so this is the pack. Pretty looking packaging, pretty looking package. Okay, just the name of the company, and you have their card. All right, let's open up. So you have your card in here. This is the closure, 14-inch closure, just written up here. That's the closure, 14-inch. This is your 20-inch. This is the 20-inch. This is the longest I bought. I got 20, 18, 16. All right, this is 16 inches, and this is 18 inches. Okay, so I'll just take out one of them. They're practically the same, just the inches. Yeah, just difference between them is just the inches. Okay, so I'll practically just take out one, not to make the video so long, and so we can see that together. Let's take the longest, which is 20. From what I can see, the hair doesn't really look full at the end. Like, it's okay. It's okay. It's coily hair. Let's take this net off so that we can see it better, much better. So just take off the nets so it's wrapped in something like this. And then, oh, now that smell. Not really rubberish, but you know, there's a smell that comes with new hair, but it's really soft, you know, really soft. The hair is not really full. I think I've gotten fuller bundles than this. It's not really full, but it's quite it's soft, but not full for me. Okay, we'll see how it comes out on the wig. So when I unravel this, how it comes out. Meanwhile, you can see the bundles. Hope you can see that. You can see how that's the thickness of the bundles. You're able to see that. Okay, but feels a bit thick up here, but really light down here. You can see it's really light down here. Okay, what I'm going to do when I make it into a wig, I'll let you know. You know, when you unravel it, some of them become very, you know, nice and full. But all in all, the hair seems nice. This color seems like you know, the natural color, because there was no color selection when I tried ordering for it, but it looks like a natural color. Should I say a color 2, or okay, let me try to visualize the streaks of gold in it. I really like this hair. I hope it's, you know, comes out well. If it does come out well, it's something I would recommend, you know. Looking at it, let's see if it's shedding. Okay, I got a strand. Okay, that's about it. So far so good. The hair seems good. Seems like something I would recommend. But I'll change it to a wig and then we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll just turn this to a wig. So if I'm able to finish it today, then I'll do the review, the continuation of the review, so that you can see it. But if not, then I will do it. I will show it to you guys some other time. All right. So that's it about the magazine hair from AliExpress. I'll try and leave the details down below in case you are interested. If not, you can just go on AliExpress and look for magazine hair. This is the Brazilian water wave. Yeah, it's nice, and it's really soft, and you can see the flow. I just hope it lasts, as in it doesn't start to, you know, matte and tangle, you know, when the whole sweat and all that. Anyway, we'll find that out together. Okay, so just in case I don't get back to you guys, I'd like to tell you thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please remember to drop your comments down below. So hi guys, I was about to start making the wigs and I realized I didn't show you guys the closure. I'm so sorry about that. This is the closure, and the curl pattern is very different from what you have on the weave. The curls are much tighter on the weave compared to the closure. The curls are like bigger than what you have on the main bundles itself. So this is the closure. As you can see, you've got the lace is nice. You've got baby hair in front, which you might need to cut because it's quite long. And then this is it. I'll just put it on my body. If you can see, yeah, the color goes with the skin, nice. So I think with that, it's thumbs up. So if you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll be here to answer them. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.